Once upon a time, in a vast savannah, lived a horned dung beetle named Dungo. He was the strongest and most majestic beetle in the land, known for his towering horns and tireless work. One day, Dungo came across a particularly heavy dung ball. He proudly declared, "With my strong horns, I can easily roll this dung ball to my burrow." He rolled the dung ball with all his might, but it was too heavy. His horns started to bend, and he struggled, unable to move. The other animals watched, concerned. A small ant named Anty approached Dungo and said, "Dungo, your pride has blinded you. You thought your horns were strong enough for any burden, but they aren't invincible." Dungo, embarrassed, realized Anty was right. He had let his pride cloud his judgment. He apologized to the other animals for his arrogance. From that day forward, Dungo learned to be humble and work within his limits. He became a wiser and more respected member of the savannah, proving that humility can make one stronger than pride. Moral: pride can lead to downfall, but humility can lead to wisdom and respect.